the Gadget God here, and today I'm going to show you hidden features on your fancy iPhone 10. Great brand new feature about the iPhone 10 is that you can record in full-blown 4K at an incredible 60 frames per second. But you know what? It's not turned on by default. So to turn on your 4K video recording, you want to go to Settings, scroll down to your camera, and then select Record Video. Now by default, it's set to 1080p HD at 30 frames per second, but we want full-blown 4K at 60 frames per second. Depending on your hard drive size, maybe you just want 4K at 30 frames per second, but we're going for the exclusive iPhone 10 feature of 4K at 60 frames per second. Now when I go to my camera, we can see that we are recording at a full 4K, 60 frames per second. It's like we're in the Matrix. Oh yeah, there's AirPods over there. Hidden features on the iPhone 10. Now I do have some more, but you don't want to hear me talk all day. You want to get back to watching some of my other videos. So let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click subscribe to join the Gadget God squad. And if you didn't know already, I'm the Gadget God. I do the research, so you don't have to. Thanks for watching, everyone, and enjoy your iPhone 10 even better than you did before.